Well, today we're working on the Camaro. This is a 2012 Camaro SS, and we're going to try something new. We replaced a coil earlier on this on my wife's channel. We had a short, and basically what was causing the short here is I have hex vents on here, and the sun, as you can see, can get through, and the wires from the factory from JR Motors, they are not UV rated. So what's happening is they erode, they short out, and then you have a problem shorting out your coils. We had one coil go bad. Honestly, I think I have a second one that's bad after testing. We're gonna try something new. This is NGK's Mod Performance Ignition coils. They're rated at higher energy. They come in a 8-pack. Got this particular one from Rock Auto. They had the best price on it, and their shipping's good. Just make sure you get the proper one because their return policy is very difficult. Okay, so open her up, nicely packaged, and each individual coil here. These are very easy to replace, and let's get started. All right, so my engine bay is gonna look dramatically different from yours. I do have nitrous on this car and a lot of upgrades. I also have the Holley top mount coil packs. So we're just removing 2 bolts, pulling the plugs in each one, and pulling the spark plug wire, and just going down the chain. 2 types of coil packs are used for the JR Motors LSs. You see this type, which is a square, and then you'll see the round one. So make sure you order the correct one. I think the L99s, which are the automatic version of these, had the round ones. They're a little more difficult to get in and out than this, but same concept, plug and play, remove your 2 plugs and your 2 10mm bolts, and they come out. Also, make sure that your wires are in good shape. These are brand new wires and brand new plugs. Don't think this is going to fix a problem if you have problems with your plugs or wires. Generally, when you replace coils, you want to do everything at the same time. So we're going to go and swap these out. We got 8 here. We'll get them done in a few minutes, and we'll see if we notice any difference. These are supposedly rated higher voltage. Garrinelli, which is an aftermarket supplier, also produced something like this, they're dramatically more expensive, but they do the same thing. Supposedly higher spark, get better spark energy, more efficiency. We'll see how that looks. But we did have some issues with these, and obviously we're probably going to notice a difference. All right, so it took about 12 minutes. Got all the coils in, all done. That one in the corner is a tricky son of a gun. You got a fuel line running through there. Mine's a little bit easier again than yours is going to be. These coils seem to be in good shape. I did test them. 6 out of the 8 were still good. So we'll have a little contest here. If we get enough likes and comments, you can direct message me, and the first direct message is requesting these with their address, and you PayPal the shipping, which flat rate shipping on these is like 15 bucks. You can have them. These are original JR Motors parts, and they will fit LS3s and several other models. There's your part number there. If you want to cross-reference and you want one of these, go ahead and direct message me, and I will happily send it to you instead of chunk it into the trash, because it is still good. So we'll see how it goes. We're going to go ahead and test drive the car. NGK is counterfeited a lot. Buy from a reputable source, if not from AutoZone or O'Reilly's or Advanced Auto Parts or Rock Auto. I would be careful buying these on Amazon, because Amazon is notorious for not verifying authenticity of products. So let's go give her a test drive and see how the car does now. Alrighty, so driving around here, so far so good. This is a 6-speed, so this is a little difficult to do this, but we'll see how she does. Not too shabby. 0 to 60 with the soft launch, 4.7. We have an improvement there. Again, I did put my mic on. I apologize. The wind's blowing like ridiculous this year. It's been like that all year, and they have construction next door. But this engine, of course, is modded. Have a Texas Speed Stage 2 cam, an intake from fast intakes, and a Veraram air filter intake. It takes air from the front and drives it right into the intake. Also long tube headers. 482 horsepower on the dyno last check. I'm curious to see if we have an improvement now with these coils. It does feel stronger in the higher RPMs, more consistent, and that's what you're going to get with a high performance coil. So a couple weeks we'll have it on the dyno. We'll see what she does and see if there's any improvement. Part of my mess of a wire here, I'm actually rewiring my nitrous. So, and there's a 2-step on here, but I haven't played with that in a while. If you have any questions about any of the modifications that you see, I'd be happy to do videos on those. Put those in the comments. I also do have a little rider light bar here. If you guys want to see how to do that or where I source that, happy to help you guys with that. Get out there. It's a beautiful season to be out there racing. Part of, you know, minus the wind out here, but we'll be at Irwindale here in the next couple of weeks running, and at Willow Springs running. So if you see this car out there, you know, come say hi. Otherwise, have a great day.